Are you struggling with bad cuts on your ray cut laser? Then this is what you can do. Replace your nozzle with a bigger nozzle, and then mark that nozzle on the nozzle holder with a straight line. Then place a piece of tape over the nozzle tip. On the control panel, click on Laser Burst, and the laser will shoot one quick burst. Now take the nozzle off and inspect it. Now you can see if the laser is off-center. In this case, it is slightly off-center, so you can adjust the laser accordingly. Repeat the process and shoot another laser burst. Inspect it, and now it is exactly in the center. Now change the nozzle for the nozzle you want to use and repeat the process. And there you go, the laser is shooting dead center in the nozzle. So let's test it. Look at that, it cuts straight through, and the cut is nice and smooth as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.